Hello food lovers, I'm Adnana and I'm back with a dessert hardly to forget. Peanut butter chocolate lava cake. Place a saucepan on medium heat and combine 50 grams unsalted butter with 100 grams chocolate. I combine dark chocolate with milk chocolate. Stir until the chocolate is completely melted and well combined with the butter. Transfer it on a small bowl and let it cool for about 5 to 7 minutes. Meanwhile, grease 2 ramekins with butter and dust them well with cocoa powder. This will help your lava cakes come out. The cocoa powder replaces the flour in order to avoid white specks on your lava cakes. In a medium bowl, add 1 egg, 1 egg yolk and 50 grams caster sugar and whisk together until creamy. Add the chocolate mixture and mix until combined. Add 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour and whisk until well combined. Pay attention to not overmix. Pour the butter into the prepared ramekins until it reaches halfway. Drop peanut butter in the center. Click now on the right side corner to find the homemade peanut butter recipe. Top up with the remaining butter until the ramekin is 3/4 filled. Bake for 16 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius or until the top springs back when touched gently. Turn out onto plate. If the lava cake shouldn't slip out easily, use a knife to run around the edge. Serve immediately. I hope you will try this version of lava cake because the taste of peanut butter goes perfectly with the chocolate. It's simply delicious. Till next time, eat healthy and enjoy food.